Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching to dark mode on the YouTube app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up the YouTube app. Tap on your user icon in the top right corner of the home page. Choose Settings from the menu that appears. In Settings, tap General. In the General settings, tap on Appearance. In the Appearance settings, select Dark Theme. The app will immediately switch to dark mode and will be much easier on your eyes. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.